All right, so I know this is a bit of a surprise video, but I have a little bit of unfortunate news. With the RX-7 in the middle of being rebuilt, I have everything you can see. I've been working on my videos. I've been working on getting everything rebuilt, and then this happened. Now that is a cryo-treated side seal from Atkins, which are incredibly not cheap. So I don't really know what to say, honestly. I already reached out to Atkins to see about getting a replacement, and I'm sorry that the garage is extremely messy. These are all RX-7 parts and other side projects. I've had a lot of projects over the last few months, which is why you guys haven't seen a lot of videos. Let me switch hands really quick. So, just between college and everything, trying to keep everything steady, it's been really hard to work on the RX-7, I'll be honest. Like, I work full-time, I go to school full-time. It ain't easy. But we do have that. So it's coming together slowly but surely, I promise. The RX-7, let me get outside. The RX-7 did make it outside. She doesn't have an engine, but the hood is back on it for right now. And everything is clean. Me and my buddy William spent a long time getting everything taken care of. We actually, you can see the bins out of the back seat, which are an option on RX-7s. The bins are both out, and so a few things are disconnected, but this interior carpet is all still there. I'll actually pop the trunk, oh, come on, don't do this now. It's cold, it doesn't want to pop. Yep, no, it doesn't want to at all. Come on. All right, so it's definitely not popping right now. It doesn't want to at all. You can see it will barely move even with me pressing on it, but that's okay. That's fine. I'll get that to you soon. But we did come through completely, cleaned up all this stuff, and you see a little bit of orange staining right here. This was all over in here, and it stunk. It stunk so bad. I never noticed it when I first bought the car, and I don't know how. It stunk so bad that I hung it up right here on my fence, and I let it sit and get rained on for like 3 days straight. Oh. There we go. I let it just get rained on, and I pressure washed it. I used a bunch of different carpet cleaners on it because it was horrible. It stunk so bad, and it was just this weird orange. I don't know if it was like paint. I hope it wasn't the other thing that could be orange in a carpet. But that's really where she's at. We are going to be getting new pieces here for my windows because you can see those are pretty rusty, and this stuff is doing that. So that'll be coming soon. Hood is not attached because obviously there's nothing under there. But I did want to put out a little video before, I did want to put out a little video before winter really set in, and before, you know, the new year, before Christmas, before all this and all that, because I am trying to save money for it, but the RX-7 does need to get done. So I contacted Atkins to see about getting a new side seal, and let me go back inside, it's pretty cold. I did contact Atkins about another side seal because this one just, I was cutting it to spec, and you can see, I doubt it'll focus. Yeah, no, it's not gonna. But it just snapped clean in half. I had it right here. I was dry fitting it, trying to make sure that everything would be in spec. I was trimming it down, and snapped right in my hands. I'm really trying to take my time with this and really trying to make sure that I'm not breaking any more parts. But I also want to create a very nice video of this rebuild. So this sucks. I really don't like this. I don't like breaking parts like this because they're not cheap. $325 on Atkins Rotary, but can't cheap out. I need it to be top tier. I need this motor to actually be a perfect 13 beat, perfect 13B. A perfect 13B would be an REW, peripheral port, but we're getting there. I don't know. I just really need this stuff all put back together. I have this set and ready to go. I know you can't really see it. There we go. I feel like I'm jumping the gun on so much stuff because I feel like it's going to take so long, and I feel really bad because it's already taken me, in addition to all the stuff with the RX-7, the GTI also encountered a pretty bad issue that I will once again walk outside to show you. And I already have it fixed, getting fixed. And it's, again, taking a long time because, you know, school, work, etc. But that's part of doing this content stuff, is even when I'm not actively filming or actively uploading, it still needs to be like an effort. So you can see pretty good. We messed her up, which was, if I'm in the right spot, yeah, right there. I took a good chunk out of my wheel. So again, that one's taking a little while because the wheels themselves, I did get a new set of wheels for this car. They are not off of a Volkswagen. They are nothing that I've ever seen. And I believe I will actually be the first person in the world with a set of these, at least in the US. At least the first person in the US with a set of these on a Mark 8. I don't think there's another Mark 8 with a set of these, but I also don't know that there's any of them even in the US. So I don't know. This whole video is just kind of where I've been, what's been going on. And I'm really hoping to get some stuff back out, because I have backlogged footage from June, from July, from months ago. I know it's been like 6 months since an upload. And this is why, because this stuff took so long. You can see all this has been completely cleaned up, repainted. That'll be in the video, I promise. This stuff all cleaned up. I didn't paint it, obviously. All this stuff got ran through an ultrasonic cleaner, cleaned up. Some of it still looks kind of grody, so we're gonna clean that up. What else? Again, more projects that you guys haven't seen. If you've been watching my TikTok or my Instagram, you might have seen a little bit of it, but a lot more to come. So please just trust me. There's a lot more coming.